How to enable missing high performance plan on Windows 11 and 10. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we will help you restore any missing power plan like Power Saver, High Performance, or Ultimate Performance back on your Windows 11 and 10. So what we can do is we can go to search, type in CMD and run it as administrator. So just go ahead and click on yes and run it as administrator on your computer. And once you run it up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy these codes one by one available here. So we will be leaving it in the description. You can just head over and copy it from there as well. So for high performance, you're gonna go ahead and copy the first code. For balance, this one right here. And for power saver, you can just go ahead and do so. And for ultimate performance, you can select the last code available. So let's say if you would like to have ultimate performance, you can just head over and copy this code right here, Control+C. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and paste it here and hit enter and do so. And let me just go ahead and do so. And once it is completed, you can just go over and type in power plan and click on choose about plan. Open this one right here within your control panel. And once this opens up, go to power options. And once you head over to power options here, you will be finding your ultimate performance under additional plans. And that's it. Another method you can apply up is, so on the second method, you can just head over to this link right here. We will be leaving in the description. And once you are here, you can just scroll to the options and here you should be finding some steps. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and download this zip file right here. Go ahead and find this zip file, click on download. And once you click on download, wait for the download to be completed. And open up the zip file. Here, you can just go ahead and wait for some seconds for this to be completed. You may look out for the Power Saver one here and just go ahead and download that one right here. Click on download for the Power Saver. Once it is downloaded here, click on download and it should start downloading automatically. Once it is downloaded, you can just head over and open it up on your file manager, the particular folder. And once it is downloaded, you can just head over to the same link available. And from there, you can just go ahead and type the code available on your CMD where we left it. Just go over to CMD. And when you go over there, you can just go and paste the particular code. Once you download the power zip file and complete this up and restart your computer, and that should help you fix the issue. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.